Hi friends, welcome to Strictly for Non-Veg. This is Kavya. So today's recipe is a restaurant style garlic chicken. Let's check out the ingredients followed by the recipe. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get more updates and videos. For this recipe, I have taken 400 grams of boneless chicken, 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. I have taken 1 onion which I have cut in cubes like this. These are also called as onion bulbs, so I have cut in cubes like this. I have taken half capsicum which I have sliced. It's optional though. 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder which I have crushed. I have taken 2 tablespoons of garlic which is finely chopped. Half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 green chili chopped. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. So let's start with the recipe now. First of all, we need to marinate the chicken first. To the chicken, I'll add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon of black pepper powder, about 1.5 tablespoons of soya sauce, and I'll add some salt. There is some salt in the soya sauce, so ensure the salt is as per taste. Mix it all together well, rub it together so that the chicken is coated well with the marination. We need to marinate this or rest this for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we can add the maida or all-purpose flour and corn flour and mix it together. Mix it well so the chicken pieces are coated well with maida flour and corn flour. Because we will be deep frying these, so we need to coat it well with the chicken pieces. This seems to be a bit dry. I'll add about 1 tablespoon of water to it so that it's coated well and evenly spread across. So our chicken is ready. Meanwhile, I have heated some oil for deep frying in a kadai. Once the oil is hot, I can add the chicken pieces to the oil. So I've added all the chicken pieces now and I'll wait for at least 45 seconds or 1 minute, and after that I'll turn it around. So after some time we can turn it around so that it's cooked from all sides. We need to ensure we get a nice crispy crunchy coating from outside. The chicken would take only 4 to 5 minutes for cooking because these are boneless pieces and small pieces, so it won't take long. So it will take about 4 to 5 minutes for cooking, but we need to ensure that we are cooking this on low medium flame so that we get a nice crispy and crunchy coating from outside. So this is nicely done. You get a nice golden brown color and a crispy coating outside. So I'm removing that in a paper towel. Now I'll take a kadai, I'll add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Then goes in the garlic chopped, which is an essential ingredient in this recipe because all the flavors come from this garlic that we are adding. So we are adding about 2 spoons of garlic, chopped garlic, and then goes in the green chilies chopped. If you want to make it very spicy, you can add more green chilies. Fry it well on a high flame so that we get a nice smoky flavor. Then goes in the onion chopped. These are cubes of onions. So fry it on a high flame again. Now goes in the capsicum. As I said, this is optional. It's your choice. If you want to add, you like it, you add. Otherwise, you can just avoid it. So whenever we are making some Chinese starters, we should ensure that the veggies are crunchy, so we don't overcook it. Now I'll add about 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. I've kept the flame on medium to avoid burning. Mix it together on a high flame now again. While you're stirring, keep it on a high flame. Then goes in the green chili sauce and the red chili sauce. Now mix this together. A nice smoky aroma is coming because of the nice stir fry on a high flame. So the flavors are all blended together. Now I'm adding half tablespoon of black pepper powder. Mix this again. Now I'm adding some corn flour paste. For this I have taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour. I have added some water and mix it together to form a nice saucy consistency. You can see a nice sauce is formed now. Now it's ready to add in the chicken pieces. Add the chicken pieces, mix it together. Our dish is almost ready. If you want, you can add some chopped spring onions, spring onion greens, which will give a nice look to this. So my garlic chicken, spicy garlic chicken is almost ready. Ready to serve, hot. You can eat it as a starter, or you can have it with some fried rice, or you can have it with dal rice. A wonderful combination. Do try this. I hope you like this recipe. Please do try. Share your valuable comments and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.